Welcome to my little creative space, where I love creating and playing around with a medium called resin. Hi, my name is Poonam Bukalsaria Shah, and I am a Mumbai-based resin artist. I started pursuing this form of art from the days I used to live in the US. When I touch the resin, I feel magic. The flow of resin makes me feel free. At that moment, it's just me and my art piece. Another example would be playing with resin on live edge wood, which is one of my favorite things to do. I spend my days and nights in my Zen state of mind, creating and teaching art. One of the main reasons why I'm so addicted to this art is because I get to work with real crystals, healing stones, agates, geodes, and all the shimmer and glitter that goes into it. This magic fluid has the ability to transform itself into any shape, size and color. Resin can be used to create various items like tabletops, platters and wall pieces. I hope this video inspired you. Thank you for taking your time out.